I must apologize if this video is a little dark. It was recorded in the night. Please bear with me. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's D to the E to the K to the I to the B to the O to the O, and that's Decky Boo. Yes, I am so excited right now because first of all, I just hit 500 subscribers and I'm so oh my god, thank you so much. I'm happy for all of my supporters, my subscribers. I'm happy for every single one, all the people that normally promote my page, my channel for me. I am grateful, and as you can see by the title right now, I'm just gonna fix up these. Yeah, I don't know what in here. I don't know what are these. Yeah, they need fix. As you can see, they need fix. I always wanted to fix them, but I'm saying, why waste money when you can do it yourself, ain't it? Today's post notification shout out goes out to Mixture King. Yes guys, go over his channel and subscribe. Let him know that Decky will send you as always. And everybody knows I'm always I do post notification shout out in all of my videos. Yeah, I just feel I like to do it, so make sure go and comment right now before anyone comments so that you can get your notification shout out. And I just want to big up Walleen Smith for subscribing the other day to my channel. I respect that. Thank you for commenting. I subscribe. If you're new, just do the same as Walleen and comment I subscribe when you subscribe. Yes, so enough with my I talk too much. Now let's get into the video. Remember to get your waist trainers from Swiss Accessories and more.
So I hope it's good quality.
I bought two. These are from Opulence Emporium. You can check them out on Instagram. I'm gonna put the link in the description below, and also I'm going to write the name down here, so you're gonna see it down there so you can know what to look for. So these are the sharp razor thingy which you can, you know, shave up nice and neatly thing. So
it's my back camera, so I hope you're gonna see me. Let me please start let them see me. Turn the angle like that. You see me? You see me? Alright, good. Yes, so guys, what we want to know really is, you know, so many of the ring lights. If you guys want to sponsor me a ring light, you can just DM me. DM me at DEKIBOO _ 87 _ yeah, that's it. Yeah, so turn it good like so. Yes.
So guys,
First of all, I'm gonna dry my face because this eye face sweaty thing not gonna work.
Alright. So like this. I want to see me, I want to see me. I'm showing you what I see too. Alright. Now try to get the little arch. You know them arch there when them always I make? Yeah, the little arch looking thing. Alright, we go under here so. Alright. Try this so now. Guys, oh, it looks so far. It look good? Look kinda good. What I like about this, you know, is because it's have an angle. The way you can hold That's it again. Alright, ooh. But I think I kinda like it. Try the next one.
Monkey picnic.
The monkey's not here right now. Guys, I just like edge it. Cause I don't want, you know, I don't want, see, chop off your whole head. Then go look like clown. What do you think? Ready? So they not do good. Not better than that. This is not bad, but bro. And it is very sharp. You notice anything different about me?
No.
No, look at my face good.
You have a face powder. Mother!
I don't have a face powder. I'm just naturally glowing. But I shave my eyebrow. Oh, they look.
Like
Haters gonna hate. I'm just gonna shake. I shake it up. Mom. Where else come Mom? Yeah, you just in here going shake like go.
Yes. What am I face?
look like.
She was just complimenting me though. Come, what you say?
Look like.
It a work for me though. This is what me use. Remember me tell us I'm buying something from buy Spectra Beauty. Yes, they my work for my face cause you know let me not get a bump. Allow me to tell.
Oh,
but
I'm just gonna tell us how they look like Greta.
No, not that.
I think Greta
A long time my face no look
so presentable.
party. No, me I tell her say from I start use the products.
Oh, you look
my
like
face
shit.
look clear. I want to big them up and I need to go support them business because it's worth it. If it can work for me, imagine what it can do for you.
But it work for you and make figure somebody else's face and tell them in a monkey gone bad.
She's crazy. A little more touch up.
No.
You know what I mean? Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!